rolling the camera. We're gonna roll the camera today. It's not much of a sailing action day, but that's all right. After that maiden, I don't need any more action for the day. Weird, man, how everything's got to be up on fry sky. But I like my little fry sky, man. It's nice. Works. Okay, we got rudder. There it goes. There goes the boat. It's not going to be action. I should have. Man, I got my sails kind of tuned for strong winds. Oh well. It's definitely not a strong wind day. I'm not sure where the wind's coming from. I got it coming from right where the trees are blocked. Ooh, big fish. Got a big fish, Tuco. Let's see. Oh yeah, you can see it. Yeah. Yeah, you can see a bass down there. Yeah, it's not that big. Well, I tell you, the wind was a little stronger it was strong when I was trying to fly. There we go. There's some action. There's some action. Not much action today. Probably don't know how long I'm going to stay, because this isn't exactly my idea of a fun sail, but it's sailing. Yesterday I had the wife. It was good flying. I had great flying, except for with the havoc, because I had the throttle on the havoc at about, I don't know, it was pulling pretty good out of my hand, and it just, when it left my hand, it just went down to the ground, and I was kind of throwing it up the little hill, and I ran out of real estate, or else I think I'd have had a good flight. But oh well, it is what it is. It was what it was. But today's, good God almighty, holy cow. That video will bring laughs. Let's die. We killed the wind, Tuco. I don't know how we managed to do it, but we managed to make the wind go away. It's getting glassy. There's wind. No, I see where it's coming from. There. There's where it's coming from. Right in the sail. It ain't much. Well, days like this, you just hope you can get your boat out of the water, to be honest with you. A little breeze, it feels like it's coming from like right over there where the building's at. In fact, I'm going to put it on a broad reach here if I can, if there's enough wind. Well, it's kind of coming, it must be coming from behind me more. I'm sailing there. That was a big fish, Tuco. Well, so if you need me to make it windy, I just got to show up with my airplanes. If you want me to kill the wind, all you got to do is say, hey Jeff, can you bring your boat over? That's weird. That is weird. Oh, there we go. There's a little breeze. Ooh, disc golfers in the lake. That's not a good sign. I'm gonna see if I can, yeah, let's just sail. I'm not panicking about getting it back yet. I can scowl the rudder if I have to. It's blowing right off my left ear. It's blowing pretty good. There we go. That's pretty fast for the amount of wind that I have here at my disposal. There we go. Man, a bass. I was told by a guy that fishes here there's like a big school of bass that circle the lake eating. I think they eat 62-pound golden doodles is what I think they eat, Tuco. It's pretty good. Let's stay in the ripples. I left the sails out just a little bit and then they left. I need to shape my main a little bit, but to be honest with you, I mean, it makes a difference. I didn't text my buddy to see if he was going to come today because wow, it's a big bass. Didn't text him to see if he was coming because I figured, I waited for it to warm up. They open the gates on Sundays at noon. I got here at about 12:20, so it wasn't bad. I was trying to find a prop. I wasn't going to fly the Havoc because I didn't want to risk damaging it with the wrong size prop, which probably would have been smart. If you haven't seen my Havoc video, go watch it. I mean, it's like, I would like to say there was a lot of skill on that flight, but I think there was more luck than skill by about 3 to 1, or maybe more than 3 to 1. That's the last hole, then they're done. And the disc golfers, they park over there see where the porta potty is over there by that tree where the white car is there. That's where they park for the most part. Most of them do. Let's see, I'm trying to figure out where the wind's at. I think I'm almost pointing in it. Ooh. Feels like it's blowing right straight in my face. Let's see. Yeah, like about right there. Got my sail out unless something happened, or like from over in there. There we go. You know, there's not a lot of wind when the little moths can fly across the pond. There we go. There we go. Let's see if I can. This kind of sailing is kind of fun too. The wind's kind of come from every which way. Looks like we got some wind coming across there. You can see the ripples, but I don't know if it's going to make it this far. Yeah, it's kind of blowing in my face from that way, so that should be a good tack right there. I'm going to keep it kind of close So I just don't want to have to wait for it to drift clear across the lake so where I can snag it with my fishing pole. Yeah. A nice V coming off it. Looks pretty straight. The V's are cynical. There we go. Spinning around, see if we can get a winger. No, it's kind of blowing from over this way. Should be able to pull it in and get a little more speed. There we go. That's about all it's good for right now. Just letting my sails out till they start flapping, luffing, and pulling them in. There we go. All you need is a good steady breeze. Jeff, this looks boring, but it's not. Trying to keep the sails to where they're always producing the most lift. Little adjustments. Picking places on the lake to aim at. Like I'm kind of going upwind a little bit right now. Let's see if we get a tack in. Ooh, I had the tack way off, so I was reading the wind way off there. Let's get on a broad reach here. Back. There we go. Oops. Pull it in a little bit. Now the wind's kind of blowing right off my left ear. Let's pull it in. Pull it in. Let's see. Oh, I think we're gonna go. I've had enough sailing today. Let's get it come up. Let's make sure my hat doesn't fall off. And there it is. Hi, buddy. You're gonna help. You're gonna help, huh? Let me tighten that up. Tighten up the sheets. Sheets are tight. Let's turn it off. It's off. Oh, shoot. There we go. It's off. Let's turn this off. Well, I hope you're having a good day. We're having a good day here sailing. I think Tuco's ready to go home now.